Canary Wharf.
Yeah, yeah. In Canary Wharf, sunlight dancing on the glass so high, city shining like a dream in our eyes. Footsteps echo on the quiet street, just you and me, hearts in perfect beat. The breeze whispers soft your name, and nothing ever feels the same. We were walking by the river, hand in hand, boats drifting slowly like they understand. Tall buildings watching as we laugh and talk, falling in love in Canary Wharf. Golden skies painting memories we keep. In every step, your love runs deep. If time could pause, I'd choose this spot. Forever us in Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Reflections shimmer in the water blue. Every little thing reminds me of you. Coffee cups and laughter in the air. A perfect day, no worries anywhere. Your smile feels like home to me. Right here is where I wanna be. We were walking by the river, hand in hand, boats drifting slowly like they understand. Tall buildings watching as we laugh and talk, falling in love in Canary Wharf. Golden skies painting memories we keep. In every step, your love runs deep. If time could pause, I'd choose this spot. Forever us in Canary Wharf. And when the city lights begin to glow, I'll hold you close, won't let you go. Among the towers beneath the sky, you're my forever, you and I. Still walking by the river, side by side. With every wave, I feel your tide. In every glance, in every spark,